In the shadow's edge, our feeling takes hold. A distant echo of the stories once told. A force on the horizon, a storm in the dusk. It's coming for us, an enigmatic thrust. Heartbeats quicken as the tempest draws near. An aura of mystery, and perhaps a touch of fear. In the depths of uncertainty, we learn to adjust, to face the unknown that's coming for us. Oh, it's coming for us, a challenge untamed, a path that's uncharted, yet we're unashamed. With courage we'll rise, in ourselves we'll trust, confronting the future that's coming for us. Like a gust of wind that stirs the leaves, it whispers of